So we should basically, idea is that the Hajj savings
for a few minutes. Come.
gets integrated, and we maintain, the e-wallets of all the 2 billion Muslims who can, put the money into our, SAM's blockchain TT bars, which is gold. And, so that's a project. So basically, everybody can participate. And we have got 2 kind of products which we have developed for the inflation-free life for Muslims and for everybody, basically. One is the SAM's blockchain TT bar, and the other one is Spark gold coins. So now, in order to, provide them this cost effectively, we are giving them discount, because nobody sells the hallmark gold coins and bars at discount. But all the, Muslims who join our club, we are offering them these products at a discount, so they can make immediate profits of about 5 to 10% by converting their rupees and, paper currency into Park Gold Coin or Sam's TT bars. So we need all the hardware people basically to set up this blockchain data center. And as an electrical engineer, the other project we have is We Power the World, or We Power America, is one of the projects whereby we want to make sure that all the global farms where we are building our Wheel of Life Farm School is operated, through renewable energy, which is green energy and which is grid free. So that's a project which we are working on, and, integrate all the electrical engineers, in your university in Spain, and, invite them to join this project, basically.
So I mean, how they can participate if they really want to? I mean, if my colleagues, my friends want to participate in this project, and
very simple.
I mean,
I will send you the profile. I think I've sent you a WhatsApp message in which there is a link.
I just received the message.
Yeah. So that link is there. That link actually describes how to get enrolled into our program.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so study that. Study the link, and then, share that with everybody. I will also share the voice recording also, the Zoom recording of, what the project is all about. So you can look at that also, and, just invite everybody. It's a win-win situation, because all the people now who are in the university, who are graduates, who have got the basic degree, they can join our Global Executive MBA program in Climate Smart Entrepreneurship, and that master's can lead you towards a PhD in Climate Smart, agriculture, or Climate Smart, gold mining, or whatever your discipline is, So that is the whole idea, and that, your basic education can be immediately applied. And then these engineers will be trained by our experts, climate smart experts, and then they will be leading these Wheel of Life farm schools in global farms. You choose where you want to live, and you can live there and operate the farm. And basically that will give you basically enough income, guaranteed 10% more income than what the electrical engineers are currently making. So this is our guarantee that by working with us, you will be earning more money.
Okay, I'll explore the link, and if I have any questions, I will discuss with you, inshallah.
Sure. We can have a separate Zoom meeting, and then, put together all the, IT people, hardware people, and software people, basically electrical engineers, IT engineers, because we need hardware people to set up the blockchain data center. And then we need the software guys to, develop the software to maintain these 2 billion e-wallets.
Yeah, okay.
That's a project.
Yeah.
That's a good challenge, Jabbar.
So what is your background?
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Where did you graduate from Pakistan?
I graduated from NUST, and then I went to France to complete my second master's, which I did. Like it was a double degree from France and Spain, and which I have already completed.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Wonderful. I think since you are in Europe, you can integrate all the, Pakistani engineers, form a
No,
WhatsApp
I
group.
think there's, I think
Form a
there's
WhatsApp. Yeah.
I think there's a confusion. I have left Europe since November 2019. So I'm working here. I mean, some online jobs and things like that in Pakistan here. I'm looking for the job and.
Okay. But I mean, all the Pakistani engineers and all the Muslim engineers are welcome to join our team, because they will be trained, to do this project. And idea is very simple that, halal food is about $2.6 trillion a year industry. And now the halal immunity boosting food is the necessity of everybody. So basically we would like to build these Wheel of Life farm schools in global farms, and we are enrolling 2 billion mothers also to serve as a teachers in these farms, and then to serve immunity boosting food to everybody. So basically 7 billion customers are there who needs this food to fight COVID-19, and we can provide that service to them. And it's a $7 trillion a year industry, basically, to feed breakfast, lunch, and dinner to everybody.
Okay, sounds like I mean amazing, but I have to explore. I mean, I have to educate myself in this.
Sure.
And I have to see.
Go through the profile, and I will share some of the other documents with you along with it. And Brother Tito can explain you the whole project if you guys are there close by. And then you can integrate everybody into the team, and then, we move forward, basically.
Yeah, inshallah.
Dr. Mufaddal, can you tell him what you're buying from us?
Yeah, actually, like I mentioned, Brother Jabbar, the blockchain TT bars and the Park Gold coin is 100% backed by the Hong Kong bullion, which we are buying from Brother Tito's team. So basically, they are the supplier of gold to us, and we are buying the gold from them at a certain discount, and then we are selling this Sam's blockchain TT bars and Park Gold coin like at a 2% discount, and the profit or the difference will be used, for financing these projects.
Okay.
So it's a win-win situation for everybody, Everybody who owns paper currency, which is inflationary, can be transformed into gold, and everybody can enjoy inflation-free life.
That's the biggest crisis, and that's why the West is going through economic crisis, Doctor. I remember one time I asked the guy, houses in Spain about 20 years ago were very cheap. Okay.
Okay.
And suddenly jumped maybe 3, 4, 5 times more. The house that was worth 20,000 became 100,000.
Right.
And I asked a bank manager, asked him, let me ask you a question. He said, what? He said, did the salary increase? He said, no. I said, how do you increase the house then? Where are the people going to have the money?
Right, exactly.
So I think he remembered my statement, if he's a smart guy, which is very difficult to find a smart people in Spain. But there is a few. I mean, you cannot increase with less inflation, by the way, and, creating balloons economy. It doesn't work. And it will flash back. And that's why the West is going through really bad times.
I think our idea is through this Park Gold coin and the gold coin based, economy, there will not be any need for banks. And the banks and the insurance companies are the people who actually do all the manipulation, and then, escalate the price of the real estate, and, do all these games, which is not real.
Bubbles. Yeah.
So that is
It's,
our plan.
Okay.
And now, Brother Jabbar, if you have contacts with the farmers of Spain, Spain has got a lot of farms, you know, and it's a very fertile land. And we would like to definitely work with the farmers to transform
He's not
their
living
farm.
in Dr. Mufaddal. Jabbar is back in Pakistan since last year, late
Okay, good.
last year. Yeah.
So you are, where
his
are you
knowledge
stationed
of-
now?
In Islamabad, capital city of Pakistan.
Where in Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Oh, you are in
Capital of Pakistan.
Islamabad. Okay,
Yes,
wonderful. I will share the link with you because we are setting up our first, you know, model Wheel of Life Farm School in Islamabad. And today at 7:30, there is a management meeting on digital, you know, organized by Digital Academy of Pakistan. So we are trying to integrate, you know, digital technology in agriculture. And Brother Amir Jafri is going to lead that program. And they have provided us 1 acre farm in Islamabad, you know, to build this Wheel of Life Farm School. So that's fantastic. You know, you can become part of the project immediately.
Yeah, okay. I'm looking into digital marketing
Okay.
academy.
So I will send you the link. So participate
Yeah,
in
sure.
that, you know, management meeting today. And so we can discuss, you know, how we are going to be executing this project. And you can lead that, you know, you can be part of the project,
Yeah, sure. Inshallah.
inshallah.
Abdul Jabbar,
Yes, brother.
the sky is the limit. You're dealing with elitists of the world, top of the brains anywhere in the world. So everybody in his capacity can produce and move forward in life. And again, I think we discussed this. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And you are meeting with one of the top people in the world, by the way.
Yes.
So Brother Tito, please update me on the status of our meeting in Thailand or in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Okay.
I
And
will discuss tomorrow with
yesterday
yeah.
I had a meeting with my finance director, John Holder,
yeah.
who is actually arranging this finance, you know, for our $500 million transfer to our HNT World Limited account. So he's excited about it. I told him that, you know, as soon as, you know, these things is taken care of, we can plan a meeting in Thailand. And he just confirmed yesterday that Hong Kong flights are not open as yet, but we can, you know, meet in Thailand, in Bangkok, and take care of the transaction. So he is ready to fly to Thailand with Brother Sattar Hakim, so that, you know, all the paperwork and all the transactions can be executed.
I will tell that to Dr. Chen and Dr. Gerald.
Just ask Dr. Gerard that if they are interested in setting up a conference call on Zoom, you know, we can engage Brother Holder in it, and then John Holder can update you on, you know, what is going on. What I will do is, I will share the, I think I've already given the update. So now, you know, pass that to Dr. Chen and Dr. Gerard so that they can, yeah, 3 of us can meet and then finalize the schedule as to what date and what time they are going to be meeting in Bangkok.
Gerald is ready. Gerald is extremely excited and he's going with his wife
so
and
now
his
I think he will be meeting the gentleman, basically 2 gentlemen who is going to be, you know, physically coming to Bangkok and taking care of the transaction.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. So
Inshallah. Abdul Jabbar.
Yes, brother.
Do some research, study the links from Dr. Mufaddal, and the sky's the limit.
Yeah, inshallah. Sure, I will look into it and I will see. I mean, what I can do, and I hope things will be better for me, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah. We need your
Inshallah.
input 100%. By the way,
Inshallah.
Dr. Mufaddal, you want to hear a joke?
Shukran. Thank you very
Gerald or
much.
Dr. You're welcome. Listen, you want to hear this? He keep calling you Mustafa, right? So I told him his name is Mufaddal. By the way, Mufaddal and Mustafa is the same.
Almost same. But I
Yeah.
think the concept is this. The name is
Yeah.
Mustafa means that meme, you know,
Sure.
is very important in Mustafa. And Mustafa
Yeah.
means that all the world leaders should be selected like Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was selected and not elected. If you do the election, then you get people like Trump on the top, you know. So we want to change that system, you know.
And we have problem.
Right? And then in
That's true.
Mufaddal, you know, I'm really grateful that that name is my name. And the meaning of the Mufaddal is, Fadal means that everybody is looking for Allah's Fadal, you know, Allah's blessing.
Yeah.
And Mufaddal
Of
means that the person who has been blessed in the past tense. Okay.
Yeah. Chosen
So that's
in
Mufaddal.
English.
So Alhamdulillah,
true.
and we want to make sure that the blessing which has came to us, we actually share that blessing with everybody.
Very true. Anyway, to make it short, so we can everybody can do its things on Sunday, whatever.
Sure. So
we
thank you very much for introducing Brother Jabbar, and we will move forward
Anytime,
and you know pass on this message to Dr. Chen and Gerard so they can start working with
Definitely.
John and utilize the weekend productively, because it is Sunday morning over there in Canada, so you know they can comfortably meet and you know move forward.
Inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Abdul Jabbar.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank
Assalamu
you.
alaikum.